This is the elevator at in the Macy store at the Tyson's Corner Mall, McLean, Virginia. It's a Montgomery, originally a GMP, modernized by what's innovation? It was originally a GMP installed in 1968, modernized in probably 1996. Here it is. Right here it is. Here it is. There you go. I'll go on my own to this one.
Okay, I'll wait up here for you.
I'm going down.
Can you press 1 for me, please? Thank you. Yep, originally a Montgomery GMP from 1968. Installed in 1968. Filmed 765 has filmed this one before. Oh.
Well, this elevator was installed?
1968. There we go. Going up. Go up to 3. What floor?
3.
3? You guys going to 3?
Yes.
This is originally a Montgomery, modernized by these newer buttons in the 90s. Door close button works. Here we go. Nice motor. Ooh, nice. Supernova motor. Smells like hydraulic fluid. Original. Whoa. Here at 3. Here we're up on 3. We're good. Takes forever to level. Oh my gosh, there we go. Going down. Which floor? 1. Head back down to 2. There you go. There we go, got the door for you. You're welcome. There you go. You're welcome. Go back down to 2. This has the original cab, obviously. Original indicator, which is completely burnt out. 3,500 pound capacity. Innovation, universal, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Elevator inspection is located in the executive office on the 3rd floor. It's my stop. That's it.